Oh, hello, everyone. Um, hope everyone can hear me. Um, hello. Um, I'm just gonna wait a few minutes till the people have time to turn in. Um, how is it going? Let me know if you can hear me. Okay. Okay. So I am I have basically just two people joining. Um, okay, so okay. Okay, I just gonna start anyway, as it doesn't make much sense to wait any longer. So I'm just gonna start right away. So I'm gonna just start with the BTC first. I had this chart a while ago, and this is actually on the higher time frame. So what does it mean is actually all this shop doesn't make sense if you are looking at the higher time frame. So on the higher time frame, you would like to see this low here swept, or even lower. But besides that, you can always try to long here to short here. So nonetheless, a lot of opportunities every day, I should say. But yeah, the thing is, I'm gonna talk about what happened yesterday. So I actually tried quite too long. Let me see if I can find it here. 1 second. I just forgot in which chart it was. I think it was on the one. Ah, yeah, that's the one. So So this is a chart which I actually wanted to talk about first, as I actually tried to long yesterday. I think it was actually here anywhere. Okay, and the thing is, as we were sitting here, I called it on Twitter and I said, okay, I don't want to long it here, as I didn't like this is a weeks here, right? So it was making a lower lows and lower highs. So in my opinion, it didn't make much sense, okay? But nonetheless, after we got this here, I thought, okay, maybe why not try it here, okay? And yeah, and that actually didn't was the best idea, as we had just to wait, or at least just put some limits here, and it would give us a much better trade. And so I'm just looking if I can find my some new setups, and if I had to find new setups, is I would like to if we are real bulls, right? Because people have been calling it the bottom like all right. They've been calling it like, for example, here it was the bottom, 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 right? And it was the bottom again. If you have to look at Twitter, of course, right? So I am very careful with calling the bottom every time, because most of the time you can't call it. You can never call it up front. If I would call it here, where would I base it on? What would I call it? Or where if we are sitting here, how can I call this here before we get a clean market structure break to the upside? Right, so I don't get the point where people just keep calling the bottom. In my opinion, still, if you look now on the 1 hour, you got here lower high, you got here lower high, and it depends what we do here. But let's say we reject here, got still a lower high, so it would still make sense to even go lower. For example, I mean, I just have to be honest, okay? So yeah, that's the thing about just trying to call the bottom all the time. So I don't like it. I don't like to find some great setups, okay? And for now, what would I do here is actually just patiently wait. As if you don't got in right here at the bottom, or maybe after this sweep here, I mean after this low zero here, I won't long it anymore, as we still can just, well, like I said, we go lower, okay? And I am just waiting, just patiently actually waiting for this. I think we have a lot of, I would turn full bull if you just can reclaim. I just want people to use their minds, okay? We have calling the bottom, like I said, here and here, so what is the difference before this and this, okay? There is no difference, okay? So I'm just patiently waiting right now, okay? So on the, especially on the higher time frame, okay? Just trying to find um find where we can look at, okay? Um Let me give a second. It's actually lagging like the previous one. Sadly, it is. Okay, I just will hide it. And then this one here also. So if I have to pull here some whip levels, for example, whip levels here and there. Let me see what we get. Okay. So wait a minute. As for now, we got actually this. Okay, so I will just hide this one here, or actually delete it. So we gotta get low. I would be surprised if this here. I would really be surprised. Okay, so it is tradable, but I'm more waiting from at least. I'm gonna delete this here again. I'm more waiting for this. Like for example, you want to see this here, right? So you want all those lows here, all those lows you actually want to see swept as it makes more sense liquidity wise. And we got a good 0.5 whip level here, or maybe even this, but I give it a lower chance that we go that low. But something like this would think before we really go up, okay? Um, but nonetheless, like I said, if you can get a 1 hour S&P like this means like this, so you claim the high and we pull back, I would long anyway, okay? But not, I don't want long every green candle. That's the point. What I'm actually trying to make here, okay? Hope, yeah, I just hope people understand it because I'm not a bear. I'm not a bull. I don't care. I just try to trade. I just try to share my view, my knowledge to share with people. So I won't care if we go lower or higher. I'm just not trader. Um, yeah, but besides that, yeah, watching here, for example, let's watch ETH here. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if this. I don't know if this is bullish. Okay, just let me know in the comments. Is this bullish or bearish or what would you say in this place here? Because I had this low a very long time, like right. So I had this when we even were sitting in this here, but. Yeah, curious to read comments. Just let me know. Are you bearish here or are you bullish or? Really would like to read the comments for a minute. I just gonna take a little time for the people to actually share, tell me what they think here. okay? And yeah, so I'm not very bullish, okay? I mean, not here. And if I do the same, if I do the same on ETH as I did on BTC, wait a minute. Wait a minute, is it the swing low? So yeah, it's actually you can actually see right. So ETH retraced a lot more than actually BTC. Like I think it's pretty normal, as a lot of altcoins actually retraced a very big move already. So for ETH, I would look around this area here. Like, so the gold pocket makes sense to me before I turn max bull, okay? So I will go to some altcoins real quick and try to share actually my opinion on what happened there, okay? Like the same actually applies on this coin here, right? So in most parts you actually want to see so let's say this is the range high. Right, so this is the range high here. We got the high swept, we got the swept, we got swept, we got here a clean deviation, okay? So we got this low here, and we didn't sweep it till here, but we immediately just fell down, okay? What would make me confident, or what would invalidate the bearish cases actually if you can just confirm here deviation and start trading here again, okay? So as long as we can't reclaim this here, and we have here actually a lot of resistance here. So we got this here on the 12 hour, I see. So we got this imbalance here, we got this range lows here, we got this parabola here. So it makes it hard for me to try to be a bull here, okay? right? So I always talk about the both cases. So if we can reclaim it, okay, great. But if not, then we have a lot of levels just lower, okay? And at least just sweep this in that case, okay? So that's for in NGA or in Juice. Yeah, the same actually on Fat here. I had shared a trade here. I publicly call long it. I mean bought spots on Fat here, and I should say I actually almost sold to the top here as we were sitting here, and we had here some resistance. So I thought I didn't like it, and I wanted just to play it as a spot. So yeah, I actually sold it, and it was in hindsight it was a great idea. So I'm very happy with that. I think we got like 18% or so. So yeah, you can clearly see, right? So this is not what you want to see if you think the bottom is in, okay? And I don't know what people think now, because I'm reading a lot of comments, and I'm sitting on Twitter, and I think they talk about the halving and a lot of stuff what's going to happen, but it doesn't change the markets at all, okay? Just because the halving is near doesn't mean that we're gonna pump like crazy, okay? Oh yeah, and we see actually see here. Yeah, we are actually just yeah, it's not the reaction to you want to see if you are bullish, okay? And a lot of coins just looking the same. So I just gonna have to say this. I just gonna keep saying every chart I'm actually looking at, and you can clearly see here, okay? I really don't want I really don't want to be a bear, but guys, what are you thinking here, man? What are you? It's not bullish, and I really want to wait a little long, okay? And even though I really want to be bullish and so on, but it's not looking that great, and nothing wrong with that, okay? We are I don't know if we have traders here. But like for example, I think if I do this, I think it's not low. I think it's on the weekly night. I think we have to at least put it here. And as I now watching on the higher time frame here, or maybe we have to here. like like you see here, right? So even on the higher time frame, you can clearly see, right? So we got this high here, we got this imbalance here, which I actually was thinking at first that we just gonna trade here, and we actually gonna go higher to target this here, okay? Which didn't happen, and as we know, actually came up, right? So we got this week here, we got pumped, and we pump it into resistance. Okay, so we pump it into resistance, got a huge rejection, and now we are actually just grinding slowly lower. And my point of interest would be around this year, or at least this year. I would buy spots here, and especially as we have this week here. So in that case, wait, I'm gonna delete this here, as it makes it not very clear. Okay, so I'm gonna wait to see this. Okay, so yeah, I mean, on the things can change if you get, like I said, I really try to bring stuff to learn people, like, but till we get the market structure, we have to stay actually bearish, okay, till proven otherwise. So yeah, the same on BTC, same on all charts. All coins are actually showing the same. So yeah, that's actually from my side, and I would happy to read some comments if anyone has a question. Or we can just let me know if anyone has a question about the things I actually shared in the live stream. And if nobody has a question, I think that was actually for today. Okay, I have not much to update. I'm still bearish, still proven otherwise. So yeah, I am not seeing. I'm actually not seeing much people commenting, so with that I'm actually understand, like, people don't have questions. Just gonna wait a few minutes, and then we can actually just wrap it up and to wait a little long. That actually the only thing what I actually had to say was actually what I did right now. So going through some altcoins and going through BTC and Ethereum, right? So that was more what I had to share. And before we get the S&B, the bullish S&B, no signs for me to actually go swing long or buy spots or something, okay, before we see those juicy levels I actually mentioned in this live stream. So yeah, That was it actually for me. Hope you all enjoyed my content. Don't forget to smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and yeah, leave a comment below if you really enjoyed it, so I can actually see that people enjoy my content. Okay, because I'm actually doing it for free. Yeah, let's see. Goodbye everyone. Okay, thank you for being here. It was a short one today, but I think we all understand what I'm actually trying to say, so it's pretty clear here. Okay, bye bye.